Oh, hello. Welcome to our weekly order flow show with Robert Rother. Just give me short feedback if you can see and hear me. Just checking if everything is working. Basically should work everything. So let's start. My name is Robert Rother, and every Thursday at 3 p.m. Central European Time, since I'm based in Europe, we're having our live show. It is 8 o'clock. Yeah, 8 a.m. Eastern Time should it be right now. Yeah, or 9 a.m. Eastern Time, sorry. Yeah, about some words about myself. My name is Robert Rother. I started trading at the age of 13, and at the age of 17, I set up my first investment company with two partners in Frankfurt, Germany. I sold my shares in that company a couple years later, and I moved to China, where I set up a second investment company with a Chinese partner together. At the peak time, I had over $100 million under management, and I had a team of 30 traders and analysts in my company. We were doing private equity, of course, trading futures markets, especially Hang Seng at that time, and trading Chinese stocks and Hong Kong stocks. It was our priority. And well, if you are quite successful, then yeah, you get into trouble with the Chinese government. Just look at famous people like Jack Ma. And then I was detained in May 2011 for outsmarting the Chinese finance system. And well, the next 7 years and 7 months I spent in Chinese detention center in Shenzhen and in Chinese prison in Dongguan. I was released in December 2018. And well, the first thing what you do is I wrote a book. It's unfortunately available only in German language right now, but we're working on the English version. It became a best-selling book in Germany. And yeah, well, then I went back to trading. I have two trading communities, one in German and one in English language, and we are focusing basically on trading prop firm accounts. We are getting funded very fast, and of course receiving also our payouts. You can get more information on lit.robertrother.com about our offer. And well, every day we are trading together. We have our live tradings and webinars for all our community members. Now, most importantly, the general disclosure. All Bookmap limited materials, information, and presentations are for educational purposes only and should not be considered specific investment advice nor recommendations. Trading futures, equities, and digital currencies involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. So then let's dive into the markets. And let's see what's going on today. Yeah, just before market opening, we had news release at 8:30 Eastern Time or 2:30 p.m. CET. So now we start with our configuration. And as you know, I'm also trading my evaluation accounts and funded accounts. Right now, this is my oldest funded account from Apex, and I basically continue trading this account and where I receive continuously payouts. So if you get problems by or that you cannot post frequently on YouTube, the reason is that you basically can come to the Discord channel. You have to register your Bookmap license under verification, and then here in our my Bookmap Discord channel, you can ask questions frequently. And well, Bookmap basically wants to improve every time the educational services, which are for free. Yeah, we have to say this. And well, then and you can also get Bookmap for free if you're not sure if you want to use it. That is a digital version. I'm going also to publish the link here. I only can recommend it. I'm using Bookmap since many years. I'm trading through Bookmap, and there you can also get special offers from the Bookmap website. Hello T, nice to see you. And well, yeah, let's check my settings. I'm also living basically according to Eastern time. Yeah, I also just woke up. Actually, a little bit earlier today, I had a call with Bruce and Maxime from Bookmap, and we are discussing future developments of the software. And I got a preview of the trade copier that will is going to launch soon, and that will be an amazing tool. But I can tell you more about this later. So now let's check here all the VWAPs that are important for us. Can take out this one. This is my day VWAP. This is starting with market opening, or with it's midnight at CET, or 6 p.m. Eastern time when the market is opening again after this 1 hour break. I call this a day VWAP. And then on the other side, I have the session VWAP, which is starting at official market opening, the regular trading hours. I'm just adjusting this here. And important for me is simply here the event VWAP. This was today at 14:30. We could see that the market was moving. So it's going to load a little bit. Not loading this one. Let me check again. 23rd, and we have 22nd today. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them here or in Discord. Yeah, now we have the event VWAP, which you can see basically has very nice touching points, yeah, that are suitable for trades. We can see nice pullback at the standard deviation. Before we are going to do anything, you see here little sell off, maybe back to this event VWAP. We could try a small trade here. On this account, I'm up to 55k. It's ready for payout cycle, and I already passed. It's over 3 months, so basically I can get more than the maximum payout out of this account, more than $2,000. Well, but I'm still trading very conservative with this account, because once you're ready for payout, you are not going to risk much more. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a short trade here. Right now, if we have a look at the bigger picture, important for me is the volatility. The VIX is at 16, so it's not that low like before, but on a reasonable level. So we can see all these lines here are, for example, settlement prices and high volume nodes and point of controls and VWAPs, and we can see that we are basically on the upside. I did not draw in the settlement price from yesterday. I'm going to do that. You can find this on the homepage from the Chicago Mercantile Group. You find all information here, a mini S&P, and you go to settlement, and then you see 5,641.50. So let's draw in 5,000. 5,641.50. Basically here now we see a nice support zone in this area. 1 to 3 settlement prices at 38, 40, 41.50. Basically, if we check this on Bookmap later, the 40 area is here, that we should see a liquidity rise. So we have to add the Trader Map Pro, Trader Map Lite. Gameplay for today, yeah, looking here at the event VWAP and also what's going to happen here. This VWAP at 47 and this range here at around 40 might be interesting. Also going to add the VWAP here. So this zone at 47 is interesting. Also this zone here at 40. Now we are simply continuing moving the order, the buy limit order to the upside. Very easy, simple. I have brackets order, take profit 9 ticks, SL 9 ticks. So my goal for this account is like $300 to $500 for today. Then I'm going to close this PA account and I'm switching to the next one. Hello Caesar, nice to see you again. Best greetings to Colombia. On the side we can also adjust the parameters for the NQ. We can call E event. Maybe there's more action in the NQ later. This is a day VWAP. No trading possibility here. Also interesting market is always crude oil, especially for VWAP trades. I still can load some historical data here. And if you like the stream, well, here on YouTube, hit the like button, yeah. You can see the VWAP starting the yellow one at market opening, which is midnight CET. And since that day, we basically have an uptrend. We can also look at the low here and at an anchored VWAP is always nice. You can see this VWAP here. So this 47 region is really nice for long trading opportunities, probably just after market opening. Switch back to crude oil. Only, this is from yesterday. We can hide this VWAP. We can add an anchored VWAP here at the top. And of course here at this low. We can see how nicely the market reacted here. Let's see what the market is going to do here. So here nicely touched this VWAP. We can add another one here. So we have a support zone here at around $72. That's right. If the market maybe goes into this direction, could be interesting. Can we see any liquidity surprises? Not yet. At 65 for some liquidity. 59. Oh, still 30 minutes to go. Maybe we can also try another short trade here at the standard deviation. It works quite well for scalping trades, same like here. Oh, hello, Raphael. Best greetings to Switzerland. Hello, Steven. Also, nice to see you on Discord. So now we got a fill here at the standard deviation. Basically, ideas same like here, that we are going to see a small pullback. The market is very slow right now, just before market opening. So we have to be patient a little bit. Yeah, we're just waiting right now, you know. Demo trader, hello, good morning. Now let's see if we can get this small pullback. Ryan 40, hello. Hi Robert, I've scheduled a call with you for your trading group twice, and I always get an email just before call saying it was cancelled. Do you know why? Well, Ryan, yes, I can tell you why, because we still have vacation here, and I have a family visit on the island where I live, and next week it's going to be back to normal. Yeah, then all the guests are gone. You know, I'm living on a vacation island in Germany, and we are quite busy right now and only working like the uh, the minimum amount of work. And then sometimes, you know, families there, you have to cancel some meetings. But from next week, probably it will be everything back to normal. Just that you know. Hello, Ulrich. Nice to see you also here. Normally, Ryan, before last year and the years before, basically I stopped working or stopped trading from June, July, August. I didn't do anything just to yeah, because mostly during summertime it didn't make sense to spend time in front of the computer. Just gain your strengths, get your energy level up running, that you're ready for the winter time where you can make money easier and faster than during summertime. So at least let's get another pull to the downside just before market opening. This is really, you know, this is typical for summer, this sort of trading. So only costs patience and energy, and at the end, well, you're struggling. Also, short view to the news side, we have here at 3:45 or 9:45 some news, and at 10 a.m. or 4 p.m. existing home sales. So we could expect some sort of volatility. So at least to look at crude. Maybe we can see a nice trade in this area around 72. I would place a long trade here at $72. Yeah, this VWAP 72.03. Basically VWAPs from the bottom, from the low. Oh, you're on your way home, Raphael. Yeah. Okay, come on, now give me the last couple of ticks. Crude, also if you look at the chart of crude oil, it was very under a lot of pressure. So now I think I should have gotten my fill. Not yet. Oh, come on, really. Why I 5659? Actually, I got my fill at 5658. Aloy Santa. 5658 is my fill, not 59. And at least according to this one, the market touched it here. And no, we saw 5.8, we saw 5.8, and 5.8 is my fill. So I hope that we can come into this zone here with crude oil to get a fill. Yeah, that's the reason. Oh, well, sometimes, it's lucky. Maybe I said 59. Yeah, probably this could be also the reason. I'm not sure, but my fill is really 58. Yeah, so now I really did not one tick above my take profit. So market is going to open in a couple of seconds. Maybe we can get a move. Market is out to get you, yeah. Caesar, yeah. Okay, now I'm out of this trade. Did not work out. Unlucky, but let's see what we saw here. 65, something like this on what's liquidity. Do we see any surprises here? 64. 65. What is this on the chart? Uh, 65 is a high volume node. 64 is a settlement price. That could be interesting here. 64, 75. Then we are going to try it there. Settlement prices work quite well. And again, I'm trailing my order here at the event VWAP from the news. And you got the 9 ticks from 59. So on CL, I got my fill now here at the VWAP 72. Let's see if we can hit this goal here. Now I want to see if we can catch the settlement price. Hmm. Crude is going. Okay, now let's see if we can get the fill here at settlement price. Not yet. Now we see the pullback. That is basically the pullback that I wanted to have, but just, you know, 1 tick before, 2 ticks before settlement price didn't work out. See if it works out here. What is crude doing? I got my fill in crude. Very good. Nice trade. You see, anchored VWAP works very well in crude oil. Touch the VWAP and the market still hit my 20 ticks. Take profit. Very nice. These are trades that I really like. Yeah. how we say in German, Bilderbuch trade, or it's a trade out of the perfect trade. That's a new word. Like out of the storybook. Oh, and now, yeah, crude is continuing on the upside. It's also nice, but my trade is done. See what we can expect here. ES. I'll still probably try to catch a long trade here at the event VWAP and standard deviations. Picture perfect trade. Yeah, exactly. Picture perfect trade. If I see anything from the icebergs, no, nothing out of the nothing special today, I have to say. Otherwise, I would have seen it, but small iceberg only orders here at this time, but nothing where I should pay attention to. Now we have some iceberg orders around the VWAP, but that's also normal. Perfect trade T. There we have to say nothing much happened during opening. What, 59 to 63 is like 4 points, 5 points. There's not much going on right now, so we can maybe expect a bigger move later on. Right now they are trying to basically build up position size. Hello Peter, nice to see you again. Afternoon Robert, I wonder because there has been two significant data released today, which would you anchor to? I put my anchored VWAP at 2:30 CET here, this event at where we had sort of volume. It was not a big move, yeah, but this is where I put my event VWAP at. And again, just before 4 p.m. or 10 a.m. Is news release again, and 45 also, but this one is not so big. I always have to set my alarm before the news release because sometimes you're so involved with trading that I totally forgot the news release, and then I'm sometimes in a trade, which is not good. Oh, nothing happening here. Well, nice trade here in crude oil. Just took out this move. Perfect. And this is 67. I have to go to a larger time frame. Where does it come from? Goes here. Oh, the 67 is something like a low volume node. Kurt, so these lines are deviation bands from AVWAP. These lines here, they are deviations. Yeah, the yellow one and also this pink one. They are deviations, and the solid lines, they are the actual VWAPs. This basically here is, I call it session VWAP, starting at regular trading hours, and above is standard deviation 1, standard deviation 2. And the yellow one is the day VWAP, starting with market opening, and the yellow lines are the standard deviations 1 and 2. Basically, right now, the standard deviations of the day VWAP are working quite well, like here. Yeah, and crude oil back to sender. These are basically the moves we know algorithms are going to buy, and this is what I'm going to use for my trading. Nice, nice. Now I wouldn't do the second trade here, probably. Since oil is in a downward trend, I think that we're going below $71 or even go to 69 shortly. So now are we going to get a trade here? You can see also market touch standard deviation, and I'm a little bit too low. Yeah, PMI is coming now, I think in 1 minute, but yeah, that was a nice trade, I would say. So 2 nice trades, very easy. This is a move that well, it's not a big move, but take profit here at settlement price, going back to entry price, taking my buy limit at the VWAP and going back to entry price. So 2 trades in a couple of seconds, done. That is also Bilderbuch trade, storybook trade. Yeah, we can see basically very clearly that's the market went to settlement price, touched the settlement price, went back, touched here VWAP, went back. And now I want to go a little bit deeper into why this actually is happening. And we have to scroll in a little bit. We can see that we have order book mail functions. You know, we see we do not have any orders in the order book. This is a mail functioning of the order routing system. So they have to basically fill these holes, so to say. And that is, even if the market goes up, the market has to come back to the breakout point because of this mail functioning. So I got my fill here at the settlement price, and then market went back. Even here, probably I got my fill here. It's like this is at 45 and 0.443 seconds. This below 1 second is this trade. And this next one, I got my fill here at the VWAP and I went out here. This was at 54.06. This is 54.09. Okay, it took like 3 seconds. That was already a long trade, long time period. So now we are going to wait and see what the market is going to do. Market touched here the VWAP from the daily low. You are a wizard, Robert. Thank you, Caesar. That was also a little bit luck. You notice that it works out so perfectly. I had not anticipated it, but well, yeah. I have to make a replay of that, yeah. Ryan, I saw the settlement price is 5641. Where are you getting the settlement price up to 5665 area? Ryan, is correct what you're saying. Yesterday's settlement price was at 5641, but this settlement price is from, I don't know from which time period. I did not put any date here. I have every settlement price for the last days, weeks, months, yeah, are all in my on my chart. Because every settlement price, it doesn't matter how long ago the settlement price is, has a sort of value for traders, because there are so many market participants who are actually building up position sizes over a couple of months. Yeah, so every time the price is coming back to their settlement price that they consider as important, then they going to continue buying or selling. So I have all of them in my chart, and you can see they're still valid. No, it was not. Yes, this one was not yesterday's settlement price. I do not know from which date. I did not have the date here. That lies couple days or couple months back. Basically, if we look at this from when, must be somewhere here from July or something like this, yeah? Because we didn't trade in that area. Probably somewhere July. How am I using the volume profile? Basically, if I go to a new chart here to give an idea, I identify if we are in a range or not. Yeah, and then I'm basically using this sort of range and I'm drawing a fixed range volume profile in that range. And then I'm extending the POC or the high volume node. And then I'm getting these zones. We can see nicely here on the ES that we are now in a very hot zone. We're actually going to retest the highs. If we will go into this area here, 68 to 70 bill, basically we can see huge movements on the downside. So I would short this. And this is how I basically use the volume profile in a longer time frame. And then I get interesting support and resistance zones, which I can trade in Bookmap easily. Now we are going here. Let me check. So the next interesting line would be where is the market going to head? Where's the next support level? Basically, so large volume. At 45, and this zone around 40. This zone around 40 is very interesting because we have a lot of settlement prices here. It's a standard deviation. But we should not forget, in 9 minutes we have news, existing home sales or something like this. This can have another huge impact. So I would not make another trade right now. So we're just waiting what's going to happen soon. But keep in mind, the 47 was an interesting zone because of the VWAPs from the bottom, and 40 level, 40 area. Settlement prices from the 15th July. Yeah, Outteller, definitely, that is correct. Yeah, that should be the case. So on this account is very nice. Now I'm at 55.3 now. And in our yesterday's call, I already said it was at 54,300 yesterday. 54,300. Now we are at 55,300. And I am not, according to Apex, I'm not going to have any withdrawal limit on this account. So I can withdraw as much as I want. So maybe I'm going to build it up until 60K or something like this, and then going to withdraw more. Now on my radar is the 40 here. And we have the second standard deviation here. That's very nice. But no trade right now. We are waiting after 4 p.m. or 10 a.m. And I mentioned it also before. I had a call with Bruce and Maxime from Bookmap team just before the live stream, and I got a sneak preview to the Bookmap trade copier that will come soon. It's in the final stage, and probably within 1 month we are going to have a trade copier, and we can trade multiple accounts through Bookmap, through the Rhythmic data feed right now. And yeah, this is for me personally a game changer. Then I can trade much more efficiently and much more aggressive than now. Also some advertisement for myself. If you want to trade every day like this in our community, and we are just going to start after after this call, we are going to continue trading. You can join our Logic and Intuition trading group. I also posted here some sneak preview of the trade copier. And well, basically the success rate is yeah, great. Small community, every day we're trading together. People funding their accounts regularly, getting their payouts, and of course I'm doing the same thing. Multiple payouts every month. And you can join us here. No commitment, it's on a monthly basis. It's easy, fast, and well, trading every day and making money. Yeah, that's the game. Not always making money. I don't want to say this. We also have sometimes losing days, and also not every time if you start a new evaluation that you actually also get funded. Definitely not. There is a special ratio for this, how many accounts basically you need to get funded and to receive a payout. It's hard work. And the trade copier with Bookmap can make it easier, definitely. And also we have good ideas for the trading journal to modify it, to make it better from Bookmap. We discussed about certain things like automated screenshots from every trade, that we do not have to do this manually. And also certain aspects for, especially to design the trading journal for prop firm trading. Yeah, for example, to measure your open P&L, your drawdown limits, and so on. This is a very important task or thing. Exactly, Caesar. They are great ideas for the journal. We talked about this today, and I'm also going to have a design for specifically for prop firm trading. Ryan, do you use prior day, week, month levels to trade? High, low, volume, high, POC. Well, I am looking at the chart, yeah, analyzing the chart. I am looking at high and low levels, and I'm looking at a point of control and high volume nodes. These are important things for me. High lows, yeah, and previous day, yes, but it's not for me considered exactly previous day. I'm just looking at the chart and I am making my analysis every day, and then I'm looking where are high and low points, yeah. So then I know I have my support and resistance zones. But basically you can say I can answer the question with yes, right? I'm looking at this. I'm doing every day my analysis for the markets that I'm trading, ES, for example, or crude oil right now, and trying to figure out the interesting zones to trade. So in 2 minutes, more news are coming. I also just saw the Bookmap newsletter. There are improved stops and icebergs. So I have to review this. So now again testing the VWAP from the low. Let's see what we're going to have in around a couple of seconds. So seems to be no surprise here. And this trading economics saying so, probably no big No big surprise here. Yeah? So that means also no movement. We also don't have to draw any VWAP here. Yeah, nothing seems to happen. Then I would say for my community members, we are going to continue in a couple of minutes in our Zoom room. And for all other traders, you can actually contact me here on Discord channel. You can also copy the link here. If you have questions, and or you can simply join our community and be up to date every time, yeah. And don't forget, if you do not have Bookmap yet, get a Bookmap license and verify yourself here. Then you get the latest information and educational materials from Bookmap for free. Yeah, let's go to LIT. Exactly. I will be there in around about 5 to 10 minutes. I have to make a small break and then we see us there shortly. Bye.